Welcome to English with Leanne. Today, I have the idiom to have a go at. And you might think it might just have one meaning, but no, we have two meanings depending on whether or not you have a go at something or you have a go at someone. Let's go ahead and start with to have a go at something. This means to have an attempt at doing something. You might think this is very similar to our idiom in a shot at. If you give something a shot, or you take a shot at something, or you try, these are all going to have very similar meanings. So you might say, wow, painting looks fun. I think I'll have a go at that. And that means that you are going to try painting. You're going to take a shot at painting and see how you like it. So when you use to have a go at something, think about something you're going to try. I'll have a go at, and then you can say an activity. I'll have a go at winning the big prize, or I'll have a go at learning a new language. So these are things that you are going to try. But what if it's not something and it's someone? If you have a go at someone, this means that you are going to attack or criticize the person. So if you say, I can't believe he did that to you. Let me have a go at him, and he'll learn his lesson. Ooh, wow. He'll learn his lesson. If you don't know that idiom, make sure to go and click on it in the description below. I'll put the link there. But you're saying, let me be aggressive with him. Maybe physically attack him, maybe attack him with words and criticize him. I don't know. Another example of this might be, it wasn't really nice of you to have a go at her right after her mom died. Ooh, wow. So here again, you were very aggressive, you maybe said mean things, you were not nice, and she recently experienced a loss. So these words have two different meanings depending on if it's something or someone. To have a go at something, to have a go at someone. So take a look here at the two different definitions. Good luck with these idioms.